So stuff can happen and you might just have a day or a couple of hours to complete a whole semester or course syllabus in order to pass your exams. But wait, you are not going to be tested on everything in the course. You will be given questions on some topics. You will even be given the opportunity to choose some of the questions. So technically, you have a chance to pass. I'll urge you to watch this video till the end because all hope is not lost. Before I show you what to do to catch up and then hit your pass mark, there are some vital things I want you to have in mind. Now, first of all, calm down and don't overthink what's going to happen during the exam. The second point is fake your confidence into thinking you will be able to get the good marks and work towards it. The third point is don't listen or try to know how much your friends have studied. And the fourth point, ditch all attention-seeking activities and follow what I'm going to share with you in this video. So I assume by now you have at least 3 past papers or exams for whatever you are going to be tested on. Pick up the course syllabus and begin to tally or tick the most repeated questions for each year. Add the tally app and focus on topics with the most repeated questions. Watch YouTube videos or ask friends to explain what you didn't get during your study. The probability of the examiner bringing questions that are mostly repeated is very high. So even put yourself one step ahead of someone who was preparing by reading the whole textbook or course outline. When you are done with this, maintain a positive attitude, enter the exam hall, and pass. Like this video if you learned anything new, and click on the video floating on the screen if you want to know the common mistakes most students make during their studies.